What is up, you guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about step-by-step guide of how to sell on Amazon, a complete beginner's guide of what I recommend you to do. And this is going to allow you to actually be making $350 per day when you sell on Amazon. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is open an Amazon Seller Central account. This is the platform you use when it comes to selling on Amazon. It's what you're required. It's like the platform for sellers. And for this, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it for free. There's two options. There's the free starter one, and then there's the professional. I recommend you to start up as the starter. It's a free membership to start off. All you got to do is go to sell.amazon.com. And once you're here on this page, so once you're here on sell.amazon.com, all you have to do is go to pricing, scroll down here, and what you're going to be doing is signing up as an individual. This is a free membership for Amazon's Seller Central thing, so you can either do individual or professional. I recommend you to do it right now. It's really easy. It's going to get you like that momentum you need to start selling online. Literally just takes like 1 minute of your time to do this, to start up and sell and start up an Amazon Seller Central account. All you have to do is sign up right there. And I recommend, if you have an Amazon account already, maybe try to keep it separate from that original Amazon account they use for Amazon Prime and shopping. I personally recommend you to have something separate, a separate email for the sign up. And once you sign up, then you're gonna see the Amazon Seller Central platform. So you should be seeing something very similar to this once you sign up. So you can go here. On my last 30 days, I've made over 100,000 in sales the last 30 days. And that's just sales, you know, that's not pure profit. But I mean, my business has been growing year by year, and this is what I'm trying to do for people. I'm trying to teach people exactly what I do and how you can do the exact same thing. Like, I've been selling on Amazon 4 or 5 years by now. And honestly, it's been growing 50-100% per year, and it didn't start off with that much money. I recommend you to start off with selling on Amazon and finding the products to start selling, and you could be averaging around $250 to $350 profit per product that you start off with. This is what I recommend all my beginners when I teach them, is that you want to find that one product. And what I personally do is something called private label. So private label is when you're finding a supplier from China and you're branding your own product using that manufacturer. So let's say, for example, you're trying to start up a fitness clothing brand, and you can always find those suppliers on Alibaba.com, and you can brand it. You can have your own brand on it. There's even more. Like, clothing is very basic. You get really creative with it, and you know, anything, like, you could pretty much make even things custom when it comes to finding a manufacturer from China. There's so many things. Even $1 million, even $1 billion companies do the same exact thing. They get it outsourced outside the country, and then they get the products imported into the US. So there's so much opportunity when it comes to private label and selling on Amazon. And more than anything, you're also allowed to even scale outside of Amazon. You can even sell on your own online store. You can sell on the Walmart online, eBay, all these other platforms. You're able to scale and grow your brand. So that's what I love about private label, Amazon private label, is because you're making your own business from scratch, and you're doing your own e-commerce platform where you can even scale. Let's say if you have a YouTube audience, you could even sell it to them. And this is what's going to grow your brand and a long-term business down the line. So let's say, for example, we don't even know what products to start selling on Amazon, and you don't know where to even begin. So personally, what I like to do is sell small and light products that weigh under 3 pounds, because the shipping cost is cheaper. Products are not competitive on Amazon when it comes to searching it, and all this data is something that you can actually find with some plugins and tools. For example, I use this product ideas a lot on all my other videos. This product falls under all the categories that I like when it comes to selling on Amazon. It's less than 3 pounds. It has a high profit margin of $19 that it's selling for, and it's in a low competitive field that has high search volume. So how do you know that a product is going to give you profit, or how much profit, or even if it's a good product? So there's tools for Amazon such as Helium-10 that I like to use. It's an add-on plugin for your Google Chrome browser. All you're gonna do is click X-ray for the listing. And with this, you're able to see all the sales this product is doing every month. So you can see this person is selling 7,700 units every month selling this one product. So if you go to the sales graph here, you can see on average selling almost 300 to 250. It's going a little up and down. You go to the 90 days here, you can see it's a little bit on the downtrend. You go on the 1 year chart, and they've been selling for a very long time. This company is one of the leading companies when it comes to eyelash extension glue, and they build a whole company around this. This is just one product. And if you go here to let's click their store right here. You can click their storefront, and with this you're even able to use Helium-10 again, and we can even see more data of their whole listing. So you can see how much sales they're doing every month with their products. In revenue, just off this one product, they're doing $376,000 in sales 1 month. The next product, $167,000 in sales, and it just keeps going from there. These people are making over $1 million profit a year selling eyelash extension glue and eyelash extension related products. So that just shows you the potential when it comes to selling on Amazon, that you don't need to think outside the box. Like, you kind of do a little bit, but you don't have to, like I said, reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is find a product that's not so competitive, that has a high search volume, like I said, and falls under all the categories when it comes to finding the product. So that gets more into details because I have a separate video on that. I'll have it up here for you, or in the description, or in the pinned comments, and it's going to allow you to find that right product to start selling that falls under all the categories that I like. So you're going to have to use a tool. I recommend Helium-10, and that video has the whole tutorial for you because it gets really a bit long when it comes to finding the right product to start selling. So once you find the right product to start selling, you have an idea, then you're going to go to alibaba.com, and then you're going to source it with a supplier here. So let's say we wanted eyelash extension glue, just like the example I gave you. So I would put eyelash extension glue here and click search, and let's filter the price to maximum $4. I think you get the product for around $3. You click 4 here, and you're going to filter through a bunch of suppliers. I personally like to deal with suppliers that have been on Alibaba for at least 5 years, in my opinion. And you're just going to click a bunch of these, ask for their PDF catalogs, talk to them, say that you're interested in the products, and you can just contact them here on, I personally do live chat with them. So let's see if they have live chat here. This one doesn't have live chat on at the moment. You can just send them a message. Let's go back. See, these people have live chat. All you have to do is click it here. Well, you join, sign in, click the chat, talk to them, tell them to send you a PDF catalog of all their products. That way you get more familiar with their products. Maybe there's a product that you have no idea that you want to start selling, and it's in their catalog. So that helps you get more ideas when it comes to brands like this. And what I personally would do is I would request samples of the products. I'll try out a couple of different manufacturers, see what product is the best, and then I'll go with it from there. I'll always test out the quality and the price and make sure that the supplier communicates really well. I personally contact them after through Skype or WhatsApp. You can use WhatsApp, and that's the best way to communicate with them directly, really quick. The Alibaba live chat isn't as good, so I always tell them to add me on WhatsApp. It's gonna help you make everything a lot easier down the line. So after we find that manufacturer, now we're gonna start sending the inventory to Amazon's warehouse. So once you have the Amazon so once that you want to start selling your product and you have your whole manufacturer done, you requested a product, you pay the supplier, and then you want to ship it to Amazon's warehouse, all you're going to do is go on Amazon Seller Central, and we're going to go to shipments here. And these are all my previous shipments. To start a new shipment, you're going to click here, send to Amazon. And with that, you're going to send your products to Amazon's warehouse. Of course, it gets a lot more detailed when it comes to all these little steps, but this is just giving you the main big picture when it comes to selling on Amazon. And then once you have your product on Amazon, so what Amazon does actually is that all your products are shipped to their warehouse. So you don't have to deal with any of the products in your home or your apartment, nothing like that. It's all stored in Amazon's warehouse, and this allows you to get Amazon Prime for your products. So when a customer buys your products, it's going to be shipped 1 to 2 days, sometimes even the same day for your customers. And honestly, it's the best business because you're able to scale a lot faster down the line because you don't have to manage any employees. It's almost like you can use Amazon's employees to your advantage. If you can even treat it as like they're your employees. It's a great business concept. It helps you scale, it helps you work remotely, you can travel where you want, whenever you want, and that's the best part about it. That's what I love about it. So if you're interested in selling on Amazon and want to learn more, I actually have a free course for you guys. There's nothing needed when it comes to this course. I'm gonna have it in the link down below. You can literally start in like 3 minutes from now. I have over 30 videos for free for you guys. There's nothing needed. So if you want to learn more, click that link down below. And in my course, I also have an advanced course. So the free course is free, there's nothing needed. And if you want to take it serious, maybe down the line, or want to take it to the next step, you can always check out that advanced course. The advanced course isn't free, but it's well worth it, and it's a monthly membership compared to like these really expensive courses that people are selling. So I try to price it really affordable monthly. That way you can complete it in like 1 month and just be done with it. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions related to Amazon, selling on Amazon, anything like that, leave a comment down below. I read all the comments, I'll answer them and try to help you out as much as possible. And that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.